Hello to all of you amazingly beautiful people watching today. If you are wanting to see what's in Walmart right now for spring, look no further, okay? I am showing you just a peek of some of their spring collection, and you guys, you don't want to miss out on these items, okay? I think that these would be perfect for little accents and accessories around your home. So if you're shopping for just a little bit of home decor and you want, a nice little throw pillow or some faux flowers to put out, or a candle or some room spray, this little section is going to be perfect for you. I love the options that they have for candles. They have some really aesthetic ones that are very plain and they just say stuff like calm on them, and then they have some that are like in the little glass containers, so those are really nice as well. I wanted to get up close so that you can see like the fabric that's on the pillows, and I love the shades of purple and blue and green that they have. Okay, so they have some pastels, but then they have some that are like just a little bit darker of the shades too. So I love having options, and I know you guys love having options whenever you're shopping as well. So whether you're going to be hosting an event for the spring, or if you just want to add some accents, as I stated before, around your home or office, this stuff is perfect. And as you can see, it's reasonably priced. I love the look of this little tray here. You can use this in so many different areas of your home. You could use that tray in your kitchen. You could use it in your living room, like on a coffee table. You can even put a tray like that in your bathroom. Like, let's say you're gonna have guests, or in your guest bathroom, and just put little things on there like one of these candles, maybe some little air freshener in the faux flowers, just to bring a little bit of spring joy throughout your home. They also have lots of room sprays, and I love a room spray and a candle. Just gets you in such a nice, calm, serene vibe. And once again, this stuff is really pretty. I love the aesthetic. So yeah, if you're going to be shopping for this stuff, or maybe you're shopping for the right accent, make sure you go and check out this section in Walmart. I hope you've enjoyed this quick look. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.